Kaya order natin ngayon, kapag video din ng kaunti. Kahapon di talaga nabisihan. Madami kasing order kahapon kasi ngayon. Kasi nga wala kaming tinda ngayon eh. Day off pero ito ng mga order, mga extra. Ito yung bestseller namin.
Two people trying to do this one. Wait, Mr. Bacon, please jump down right here. Jump right here, jump right here, jump right here. No, no,
From Shanghai,
right here, right here.
calamares, lechon,
You got this. Hey, oh my gosh.
tempura,
No way. What the?
boneless
We just got
bangos,
a crazy egg just by
chicken
following him.
curry,
Hey, Mr. Bullhorn, Mr. Bullhorn. Hey, Pedro,
fried
Pedro,
talong
Pedro,
in Shanghai.
Yes, sir. What? Huh?
Tsaka ito
Oh, it was right there,
yung
dude. I was
natin
just
relyenong
I
bangos.
gotta start following more people around, dude. I still need that one. Builderman.
Kailangan kong bibilisan kasi malapit na yung oras.
Stare at this guy.
Kailangan ko ng
I don't know. He's going up.
ano ko yung sotanghon.
Builderman's and
Special pa naman to na order. Ito yung nakakapag-video tayo. Kapag lang.
Sally Fisher is just I don't know. Just keep despawning. I guess.